What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out a new powder foundation. We're going to be turning up the music, turn it up. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. We're going to be turning up the bass. We're going to be turning up the bass with One Size Beauty. I have the Turn Up the Bass Powder Foundation. I'm going to be trying this out for you guys on camera. So if you guys are interested on how this makeup look right here turned out and how I got this with the Turn Up the Bass and a lot of One Size Beauty products, definitely keep on watching this video. But before we get into it, if you ain't subscribed, girl, obviously you don't like losing edges. Like, you don't. You're just gonna be bald headed like on the side of your edges because you're not subscribed to my channel. Like, subscribe and your edges will grow back. Plain and simple. Just plain and simple. I don't know what to tell you. You can't get no miracle grow to grow back because you're not subscribed. Your edges are falling out because you're not subscribed. So subscribe to my channel and be a part of the EXO squad. We get lit on this side of YouTube.
No, I don't like this, David. No, that's enough. No, David, I don't like that. No.
We get lit on this side of YouTube, so definitely subscribe. And let's go ahead and jump right on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Alright, so I know you guys came here for the foundation, but I'm going to do a look with all the One Size Beauty products, or as much as I can with the One Size Beauty products. So I'm going to go ahead and loop-de-loop right on through it. I'm going to let you guys know what products I'm using, of course, but nevertheless, I'm going to kind of speed through all of this process so I don't bore you guys and give you guys what you came here for, which was the powder foundation to see if it really works. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my brows. I'm going to be using Precisely my brow pencil in shade number 5, and I'm going to fill in my brows. Going in with my KVD Beauty pomade, long wear pomade in the shade Walnut, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the brow. Taking my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Longwear Concealer in shade number 415 Honey, I'm going to go ahead and cut my brows. Alright, brows are done. We're going to go ahead and move into priming the eyes. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to take a little bit of the One Size translucent powder and I'm just going to set that. So we're going to jump into the Visionary palette from One Size. Really do love this palette a lot. So I'm going to take the shade called Booked, and I'm going to take that into my crease. Let me get a little smaller dense brush for this. I'm going to take the shade called Soft Serve and buff that out. Then I'm going to take the shade Brownie, deepen up the crease a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with Turban Legend, which is that jet black. And I'm just going to start deepening it up even more. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and then a little bit of Mango, which is this peachy tone here. And I'm going to like set this concealer, especially in the center to the front with this color Mango. Then I'm gonna take that same shade Soft Serve, which is like this neutral brown, and I'm gonna take that on the outer portion of the eye, because I'm gonna leave this open. You get my drift. Like, I'm gonna leave my cut crease open. I'm not gonna close it out like I normally do. So I'm gonna take the eye popper in P House, and I'm literally going to take that from the center of the eye and just slightly blend it out. This is going to be the eye opener of the look. Gotta wrap it up. I'm gonna take the Point Made eyeliner. I'm just gonna do a baseline, nothing too crazy. I want the eye to stay open. I want to give my lashes something to stick to and not be floating. Alright, so eye is done. We're going to move into priming the face. So I'm going to take the One Size Secure the Blur Face Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and just doo-doo-doo and doo-doo-doo across the forehead. So we're going to go ahead and start on the face. Now that the face is kind of primed, I'm going to apply the foundation powder on bare skin, well, with prime skin, but on bare skin to see how much coverage it gives. And then I'm going to do my face base routine with the liquid foundation and see how it gives flawlessness, of course. So I went out and purchased the powder myself. I have the shade Deep One Neutral. Here's what she looks like. You guys know I'm a neutral Nancy type of girl, so let's pray this looks good. I got this little miniature powder puff for this purpose, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dig into it, grab some of the product, and we're gonna okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. This looks really good. As is. Oh, okay, found me a little daytime powder. Come on, daytime powder. Period. No foundation. A little bit of well, there's a lot of foundation over here, baby. I'm still just tapping it on. Okay, Patrick, turn up the bass now, sweetie. Here's what it looks like on my chest, just for a reference, y'all. That's what it looks like on my chest. I'm gonna swatch it next to the Pro Filter Powder Foundation in 445. That's like my holy grail so far for this year. So I'm gonna swatch that right here. So this is definitely a little bit more neutral. You can definitely see more neutralness in this versus the Fenty. I'm here for it. I'm here. Yes. Yes. We're going to turn up the bass, baby. We're gonna turn it up. We're gonna turn it up. Alright, so we're here and we're about to get into the turn of the base powder foundation. I'm going to sweep and set the face like I normally do. I'm going to be taking this Morphe E58 brush. I'm just literally going to dust off and press. Okay. Mm. I'm gonna save my thoughts to the end of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye with my micro smooth. You guys already know the drill. You know the routine. You know the tea already. There's no need for me to get into it. Just let's get into it. Let's finish this off. All right, and we're back. Face completed. We like. Do we like? What y'all think? I'm just taking some of the powder down my neck. Let me hit the ears. What do y'all think? What do you like? I'm gonna zoom you guys in closer so you guys can get a little up close details of these pores to see if we turned up the base. It's the creative blur. Alright, so here we go with liquid foundation and the pressed powder on top. Mainly focus here. Mainly focus like in this area for those products. Just imagine if I got a real close shave and I did this. Baby, you won't be able to clock me. You won't be able to clock me at all, baby. My makeup today is so good. Scary. My makeup is so scary today. So scary. I didn't know I had this in me. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into my thoughts and reviews of the Turn Up the Base powder from One Size Beauty. Honestly, truly, this powder is thebomb.com. I really don't have that much issues as far as the application goes, but I do have one issue, and I'm going to pop a picture right up here. There was a little discrepancy with some of the colors, especially when it was in the dark section. I felt like there was some colors missing that he could have utilized and of course expand the shade range in the deeper complexion, but he definitely hit a lot of great marks when it comes down to the colors and the tones. Yeah, that's mainly only my issue, that like the first two are like very much tan deep ish, and then the next couple it literally jumps to a darker shade right after that. So I mean, there could have been something in between, a couple of those in between those shades to be able to definitely give great range. But I mean, I have 5 in front of me and then I have 5 after me, I think, give or take. I think I have 5 in front of me and 5 after me, or 4 in front of me and 6 after me as far as complexion goes. So it definitely gave a larger spectrum for face powders for his brand, and I think he definitely did that. Like, he really did that when it came down to really hitting the mark on each complexion as much as possible. He really focused in really great for the dark deep complexion section. It's just I wish there was one more color in between dark 2 and dark 3. That's just my personal take on it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too much about it, but I think that he definitely gave great range in that. Now, as far as the texture, as far as the application, you guys saw it when I did it on a bare face with nothing but primer, no concealer, no nothing. It gave coverage. It definitely gave like me a medium to full coverage situation, and that powder definitely smooth out some of the areas that I know it needs to be smoothed out. Now with the full face on, because you know Patrick is a beat face woman, I had to do a full beat face as well too, just to see how it works as like a foundation powder on top of a foundation. And honey, I can feel the sun all the way from here. Like, come on, like y'all see this beat? Y'all see this face? Y'all see this? Like, I don't even want to wash this off. Like, I don't want to take this off at all. Like, not at all. Like, I want to leave this on. I'm getting my life. Like, for real. This is really a great powder. Like, right next to Fenty. Like, these are saving the girls this season. She's saving the girls this season, honey. Like, I can't wait for Hot Girl Summer. I want to see how it holds up with sweat and oil. I think Patrick definitely has the products to do that, to set up with the sweat and oil. Baby. Ooh. It's the dun. I'm the dun. It's the dun. Patrick Star got the whoop de whoop right now. This is the whoop de whoop. This is the whoop de whoop. Period. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you are completely new here, please subscribe so I can definitely be on your feed. Join the XO squad. We get lit on the side like always, and be a part of my journey, my makeup journey here on YouTube. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera off. Dread the fact that I have to take this beat face off, because look at it, it just blends. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I gotta take this off and go to sleep, and then wake up and edit it for you guys. But I don't want to do that. I want to just stay right here. I just can't take this off. But I gotta go. But I will see you guys in the next video, right? Right. Peace. Bye.
Yeah, I like Linktr. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,